So the first thing we need to look at is what is a ratio. So a ratio is just a comparison of two numbers. And the two numbers are separated in a ratio by a colon. So that's the two dots, one above the other. So a ratio could look like 4 colon 5. But in words, this is read 4 to 5. So the colon in math is read 2. Ratios can also be written to look like fractions with the numerator equal to the first number and the denominator equal to the second number. So this is why fractions are sometimes referred to rationals, because they are just really another way of writing a ratio. So a ratio would be 4 to 5 with the colon, and it could also be written as 4 over 5 as a fraction. So how is a ratio different from a fraction? Well, it's not that different at all. It's just different in how it's written. So fractions and ratios are both examples of rational numbers. Any ratio can be rewritten as a fraction. So ratios are usually used to compare parts to parts. For example, comparing the number of boys in a class to girls in a class. So the comparison could be made 4 to 5. There are 4 boys to every 5 girls in the class. But any fraction can be rewritten as a ratio. So fractions are used to compare parts to the total or whole. So for example, comparing the number of boys in the class to all the students would be 4 compared to 9, 4 ninths. Because if there are 4 boys for every 5 girls, and we add that up, we get 9. So 4 ninths of the class is boys.